All right, it's that time. I'm going to convert my mini milling machine into CNC. So I have here a lot of parts that came in. This is the BOB board, breakout board they call it. I forgot there's other names for it, but it's in here. It's operates through the USB connection. I believe these are drivers, right? You got the 2 fans. I got here a power supply, another power supply, some accessories, cable. So I've got some blocks, okay, stepper motors, some wire. I also have more wire in the shop. And also this came in just today, and this will be my tower to put all those goodies into. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, I also forgot. I have more stuff here. This here, this here, this there, and all kinds of accessories, aviation cables, power switches, conversion kit for a belt, and there's also more that's coming in. So yeah, fun stuff. Here is how I'm looking. I got the power supply down at the bottom. This one over here. I just put this one in here. This one's loose. And next is this. Thinking of putting these strips up here somewhere like that. And then I still have to put that BOB card probably here somewhere. And then wire everything.
One day later.
So here's how I'm looking with the wiring. As you can see, it's on. Okay. Now, I don't know why it's blinking red. I've got the program up and running, but I can't figure it out. So I don't have the motors hooked up. Waiting on a part. Waiting for some aviator terminals. I'm gonna tap into there, and then from there hook up the motors. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with that blinking. Looking pretty good otherwise. I banged it up, but I'll be alright. Now soldering. Those wires hanging right there. Alright, looking pretty good. Alright, here's where I'm at with this project. I have everything working. Okay, I have the back here all set. These are going to be the limit switches and also the home switches. And then back there is the XYZ axis. I have pretty much a lot of it labeled. From here, I also have the limit switches. I just have it here on this vise, and one of them is free hanging here. Here's another one here. And here's how I'm looking. So right now, it's reset. So as soon as I press this, I'll have an error. There it is. That's that one. I'm going to reset that. Okay. As you can see. Now I'm going to put this one down. And I'm going to hit this one. Let's see what happens. Ready? Okay, that one's working. And then reset that again. And I'm going to hit this last one right here. Ready? And there it is. So everything's working there. Alright, and down here I've got the motors. And let's see. Looking good. Okay, I like that. Beautiful. So that's where I'm at with that. So all I'm waiting for now is the kit. What bolts onto the mini milling machine. So that's it. Here's how I'm looking with that. Switch. Yeah. All right. And then that stays on because it's hooked up to the 5 volt on the computer. But if I power down, let's say I power down the computer, it will shut off. So shut down, come over here, give it a little while. Let's see if I can get that powering down and get this light here at the same time. Ready? There it is, shut off, and then boom, off. So that's where I'm at with this project, just waiting for some parts. They're coming from overseas, and we'll put the mini milling machine together once those come in, and these motors will go right onto it. So